In this video, we'll explain on how to change your Facebook page URL. So let's dive in. First of all, you have to go to facebook.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account, and also make sure that you switch your account to your Facebook page for which you want to change the URL. To do this, go to the top right corner of the Facebook, click on your profile icon, and then select See All Your Profiles, and here you can select your pages and profiles. In this case, I'll be choosing My Trades. Next, go to the top right again and then click on your profile picture. Click on Settings and Privacy, and from the drop-down menu, go to Settings. This will take you to the General Page Settings. Now from this page, scroll down and go to Page Setup, that is in the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on it. Now tap the option of Name, that is the initial option in this page. Tap on it. And here you will see two different sections, that is Name and Username. Tap on Username and then enter a new username you'd like to set. After that, click on Save Changes, that is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Remember that your username is also your Facebook URL. So once you've made your changes and you click on Save Changes option, this will update your URL. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.